we go Sleeping Buddha. Doon kami Sleeping Buddha, mag-ampo kami doon na makatulog. Yung mga insomnia. Insomnia, baka doon kami
Good morning, travel.
Ang init, guys. Kapagod pala mag-tour-tour. Pero at least, hindi na tayo maglakad-lakad. Diba? We have our may ano kami, may bus. Hintay lang ng bus, upo-upo muna. Saka go. So we're going to our next destination. Bubak na.
So next station is the Sleeping Buddha Temple. You call like that. See what is mean temple. Thank you very much, ma'am. What is mean temple? In Thai we call Wat Lam Paw. Wat Lam Paw. You call the Sleeping Buddha Temple. It's located on the island. Your island. We call your island. 20 minutes. We will travel from here to your island. We will cross. Actually, it used to be the longest bridge in Thailand, but right now it's the first runner-up is number 2. Number 1 is in Pathalung. In Pathalung, the length is 18 kilometers.
Ano na naman? We are now here. Where is the Sleeping Buddha? Ako din nag-Sleeping Buddha. Katulog. That is the Sleeping Buddha. Sleeping Buddha. Okay. First, okay, again. So first, guys, the Sleeping Buddha. Yellow na yellow. Sleeping Buddha. Guys, Sleeping Buddha. So yan ang Sleeping Buddha. Go be, wanna take?
Ha? Hindi. Wala pa naman. Mamaya pa kayo? Mamaya pa daw sila. Dalawa mong tayo, babe. Tapos picture tayo apa.
How we started to get Krabi.
Alam ito famous yung ikang bilis na blue eye.
Cannot see the feet, you know.
Mag-dress mo naman.
Sleeping Buddha. Nakatulog ako. Okay?
Ano nakatulog?
Ako. Ganun talaga ako ba? So we're now here, guys. What place is this? Tapos
Doon ka mag-picture. Ha? Diyan?
ayan na. Nahuli nila yung isda. Nahuli nila ang malaking isda. So ayan si Milano. Nakipul. But first, pwede pa i-extend sa video. Tapos, dalawa kayo lakad. Oo, tapos ito i-picture na lang dyan. No, I need to. I pull you to do like that. Okay. You have to do like that. Kuya, hilahin nyo. Sige. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yan. Kailangan ano ka, mabigatan ka. Oh, video. 4, 3, 2, 1, tsaka photo. Look at here. Ayan. Di ba bongga? Okay, isa pa. Bira! Dalawa. Oh. Okay. Tingnan dito. Yan. Okay. Maganda siya dito, guys. Ito yung mga fisherman. Now this is the bridge of the Sleeping Buddha. Come, let's go, be very hot, be. Milana! Ayan, guys, may mga tinda sila. Alamang. Alamang niya, ito to. Alamang blatchan na. Blatchan, alamang. Chicharon sila. Chicharon.
Dodong. Gulom lah ko.
So ayan na guys, look at that. Oh Milano, dali be. Nobody here already, dali. Go, go, go. Solo, solo.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope, probably never.